So we're going to try and brighten these headlights. It's not that bad, it just has some yellow tinge to it. So we're going to try to get rid of it. So these are all the things that you'll need for this DIY. A 2000 grit sandpaper, 600 grit sandpaper, and Rust-Oleum's Ultra Cover Paint and Primer Gloss Clear. You also need a water spray bottle to spray water. You can already see the difference between the two. That's the one that I sanded down with the 600 grit sandpaper, and this is the one that I haven't done yet. So next we'll wet sand it with the 2000 grit sandpaper. Next we'll be using the clear coat. Shake it for 1 minute till you can hear the ball rattle inside. Next we'll be placing this in a bucket of warm water so that you can prevent orange peel. So we waited for half an hour before we apply the second coat. Even the second coat is going to be a light coat. That's it. So now we'll wait another half an hour before we apply the third coat. So I'm going to apply my third and final coat right now. I waited half an hour before applying this third coat. So this is how it looks after the third and final coat. Now we let it cure overnight. So this is how the headlight finally looks. I let it cure overnight. I think it looks amazing. All the yellowness is gone. So if you look very closely, there is minute orange peel, but you can't see it from far away, so I don't really care about that. But it looks much better than earlier. Some before and after shots coming up.